Okay guys, Alan here, JMac Fitness. How are you doing? Great workout today, 15 minutes dumbbell. Total body workout. You're going to burn fat, you're going to build muscle, you're going to get fit and strong. 15 minutes, absolutely no excuse to really put it in on this workout. Very simple format. All you're going to do, you're going to do 8 exercises, 30 seconds on, 5 off. After each round you'll get a 40-second break. So you'll repeat that 3 times and that's it. Prior to you doing this, what I want you to do is make sure you do a warm up and then at the end do a cool down. And before you do all that, subscribe, like, share, ding the bell, you'll get all the notifications of all my upcoming videos and all my past ones, yeah? So really put it in on this one. Make sure you do a good warm up beforehand. I've done one myself before we start. And follow along with me and go with it. Remember, you don't need 10 kilo dumbbells. I'm using 2 10 kilo dumbbells here. You can use light, you can use bottles, whatever you want. Whatever feels you need for your modification. Just go with me and I'll explain all the exercises as we go. And 10 seconds guys, yeah? Ready to go. Okay, 5 seconds guys. And the first exercise we're going to go is a rear lunge piston. So follow me on this. So just hold them here. I'm going to drop a rear lunge. I'm going to push them up and then going to go 1 and 2 and then bring it back and then change. 1 and 2. That's it each time. So we're changing each time. It's not straight up. 1 and 2. I'll show you to the front. 1 and 2. Each time. Yeah, in a neutral position, neutral grip on it. Yeah, and change each leg. And rest. Next one is a renegade row, tri extension. Into the renegade row position here. So all we're going to do is there and extend on the tri and back. There and back. Show you to this side. And back. Remember, use a weight suitable to you all the time. And relax. Okay, next half burpee hold punch. So we're going to in the half burpee position here, come out and back in, bring it up, punch out and bring back. Nice and steady. Bring it back. Really working the core, muscles, glutes, everything. Bring it back. And bring it back. And relax. Next one, boy curl to front squat. Soft knees. Bring it up, drop down, back, and there. So curl, drop to a front squat, and back up. And curl, one front, and back up. And curl, front squat, and back up. Core's really down the work here. And drop. Okay, hip extension press and fly. Right guys, so you come up and then open her up at the top and fly. Bring it back and up and fly. And hips held all the time as well. And fly. Press and fly. And press and fly. That's it. And press and fly. Oh, excellent stuff. Okay, single leg deadlift. Okay, show it from the side too. Just hold the dumbbells by one side, and you're going to come down and up and then change. And a straight leg all the time, and come up. So straight leg all the time, and you lean into it. It's very good guys, just roll over it, you feel the hamstrings working here. Okay, skier swing. So we come up and then down like a kettlebell swing. You're just going to push the hips doing the work and just keep going with it. It's quite tough with this weight here, so if you need to modify, do. That's it. Keep going. Push it out, come on. Few seconds. Okay. Next one, you're gonna go bent over, roll narrow, and then wide, yeah? So make sure the hips are out and the back. So you pull it up, one, and then wide. Okay. Nice flat back, narrow, and wide. Narrow, and then wide. We're on the top of the back and the bottom of the back, yeah? The lats are gonna really work here. And then wide, 10 seconds. And then rest. That's it, guys. We take 40-second break. And then we go again. So make sure you take your water on. Make sure you don't sacrifice form for extra weight. Look what I'm doing. Watch the video beforehand if you're not sure. Practice the movement and then come back to it, yeah? We don't want anyone to hurt you. And make sure you do a good warm up. Use light weights. I'm a little bit more advanced, even though I'm an old man, yeah? Right. We're gonna lunge pistons. So, coming down, and you're gonna 1 and then 2, that's it. Bring it back. So I'm working the legs, the biceps, the shoulders, and the core. And I'm hitting each side of the core as I'm alternating the weight and the side, yeah? So everything, the whole body's getting worked in this. Excellent workout. Excellent exercise. 1 and 2, keep going. 1 and 2. Okay, renegade row, try extension. Okay, I'm gonna roll and extend. Again, that tricep working. So as you notice, the workout, I'm working everything, sometimes twice. So I'm getting a really effective workout all the time. Keep going. Oh. Oh. Keep going. Oh. Tight. Right, half burpee, hold the punch. You come down. And you do squat and punch. Back down again. Punch right out. Back down again. Keep going, 10 seconds. And rest. Okay. Boy curl for front squat. So bicep curl, front squat. Bring it up to front squat position, come down and bring it back down. Take your time, curl, front squat, and back up. Really working everything here, guys, yeah? Curl, squat, and back up. Curl, squat, and back up. Okay, hip extension, press and fly, side into it, and then fly, yeah, and then press, and then fly, and then press, keep going, and then fly, targeting all the chest here, and then press, and then fly, and press. And fly. Okay, next exercise is single leg deadlift. So take your time, remember, don't sacrifice that. And all we're doing is coming down, so the hamstrings are going to bring us back up with the weight. Just straight leg. Show you from the side again. Here we go. And then back up. And change. And then go back up, yeah, and change, and then go back up. Okay, skier swings, here we go, all the way up, and back, pull, really pushes swing it up. So hands are nearly light in the air. When you're finishing, the hips are doing the work. Okay. When it's all coming from the hips, don't overextend. Push it out. Keep going. Keep going. That's it, extra stuff. Okay, bend over, roll, narrow and wide. I'll show you. So go narrow, one and then wide. And then narrow and then wide. On the top of the shoulders on the wide one, yeah? So we're working the back and the top shoulders and the back. So the whole body, again, is getting worked. Excellent stuff. And rest. 40 seconds. And we're going to our last one. Some workout quiz. So well done. Put it in. Remember, when you're dealing with weight, safety is paramount. So make sure proper form all the way through. And don't mess about with it, yeah? But I can't see anybody. Just be careful. Right. Ready to go. Here we go. 5 seconds. Rear lunge. Pistons. 1, 2, and that's it. That's it. Okay, next renegade row through extension and extend. That's it, get through them. Excellent. Okay, half burpee, hold, punch. Just come down, out you come, there, bring it up, and punch it out, that's it. So half burpee, they're narrow, you're going wide with the burpee, and push it out. That's it. Okay, boy curl, front squat. So bring her up and drop into the front squat and come back. Stand and bring it back down. Keep going. And bring it back. And relax. Excellent stuff. Okay, hip extension, press and fly. Oh, I'm fading. Oh. Keep going. Halfway. Push it out. Keep going. Okay. Single leg deadlift. And change. And change. Keep going. And change. That's it. And change. Here we go. That's it. And change. Wow. Super. Okay, scare swings. Nearly there, guys. Oh, up we get. Core engage. Doing the work. Super. Okay, last one, bent over and narrow. And bend over, narrow, and then wide. Narrow, and wide. Big important thing here is nice flat back. Narrow, and wide. That's it, keep going. And then wide. And then wide. And then wide. Okay guys, that's the dumbbell workout, 15 minutes. Everything. Again, cardio, because you're working in short rest periods. Nice and form is important here. Just put it in, as I said, have a brief flick through. If you're not unsure of any exercise, make sure you modify as required. And well done, that's it, it only takes 15 minutes. Really no excuse to really put it in there. Make sure you do the cool down in the description below. Ding the bell, subscribe and like and comment. Anything you want, I'll do it, no problem. And remember, the difference between me and others is I'm doing them all. You see it, mid 40s, mid to late 40s guys, I'm still at it. Right, so thank you.